If you're planning a hair procedure in Turkey or elsewhere in the next few months, I need you to stop scrolling for a second. Because there's a physical reality no one talks about. You only have a limited amount of fuel in the tank. The hair at the back of your head is a finite resource. If you go to a high-volume hair mill where they overharvest or damage those follicles, they are gone forever. You can't just buy more. That's why we launched the world's first concierge service for these procedures. We don't just book a trip. We provide a total shield. We assess if you are actually a good candidate, with total honesty, find the absolute right clinic for your specific hair type, negotiate the package on your behalf, and get you the best possible deal. We take every ounce of stress out of the process. Our founder, Jibril, is an industry expert who has literally written the books on this and worked on the inside. Since 2021, we've helped hundreds of men and women achieve that thick mop of hair the right way. Don't gamble with your only donor supply. Click the link below, have a chat with us, and let's make sure your plan is solid. Protect yourself because no one else is.